Let's see, we got a Iceland Air 757 coming in here. Let's see, where is he? Oh, I see him. Iceland Air, 80 years of aviation, going to Reykjavik.
Holy cow.
Yes. Oh, it's the Southwest. It's the Southwest 737-800 right there. That's cool. Right. Iceland Air, 80 years of aviation livery is going to Reykjavik here. There he goes. Oh, that's pretty loud. That was cool. Oh, there's a Delta A321 too. There they go! Somebody else. What's this? Oh, just Southwest Max 8. Right there. He's right there. Southwest Airlines Max 8. Southwest 737-800 going to Phoenix here. There he goes, going to Phoenix. Southwest 737-800. Ah! Delta Embraer over here. Looks like he's on a hold. He's in a holding position or something. Alright, Southwest Max 8 departing for Kansas City. Oh, there was another one. Oh. Oh, there he goes. Nice. Love those Max engines, dude. Beautiful sound right there. There's a Delta A321NX from JFK right there. Yes! That's pretty cool. There he goes! Bye! Here comes another plane. Looks like... What we got?
I get so much stuff thrifting.
Yes. Oh yeah, here it is.
Oh, there's an Alaska. 737.
Take a picture of it.
There's an Alaska. Nice.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
It's Alaska.
Start.
Nice. There's another one right there too. That's cool. Somebody else. Let's see what's this. Another Alaska, of course. This is the king of Alaska, so. Oh, I hear another one coming. Oh, it's a little Alaska Embraer. Lots of Alaskas right now. And I hear. All right, Alaska E175LR going to Billings next. Alaska. What's that? Oh, it's a Delta A321neo. There goes that cute one. Bye. It's the Delta Sky Team livery. 737-800. It's a special livery, dude. Delta 737-800 Sky Team livery right there. Not sure if you can see the livery too well, but that's definitely him. Bye. Comes another one too. Oh, it's an American A321. So 200. Sorry if you guys can't see too well in this light here. Alright. Alaska 737-900 going to Orlando. Yeah, there he goes.
Yeah, that's like this morning. Oh, they were flying this morning. Yeah, they're flying right now.
There he goes. Whoa, full power. Oh, there's another Alaska 737. Bye, Alaska. American A321-200 going to Charlotte next. A321-200 going to Charlotte. There he goes. Bye. Another Alaska. It's like a Max 9. That's cool, dude. That's cool. Alaska 737-800 go to San Francisco here. Another Alaska Embraer. There's a lot of planes right now, for sure. Nice. Sorry if it's a little bit bright, so you can't see it well, probably. There's an Alaska landing, too. 2 Alaskas. Oh, there's one way up there. Hold on. So we can point the camera. Look at. Adjust it down. There we go. Alright. Alright. So Alaska 737-800 should take off now. Yeah, there he goes. Going to San Francisco. I missed that. There he goes. Hi. That was cool. Nice. Another American. A321-200 again. Alright. Look at that special one, dude. That thing is so cool. Alright. Alaska Max 9 going to Atlanta here. It's right over there. Let's got one going to Atlanta. That's a nice pull up. Alaska Max 9. Oh, another Alaska.
Alaska. So many Alaskas.
Holy guacamole, there's so many. Cool. The Alaska 737-890 Disney Pixar Pier livery here, going to Boston. There's one over there too. There's another Alaska 737-890 Pixar Pier going to Boston. Let's keep waiting for this other one to land. Alright. Delta 737-890 going to Boston. There he goes. That's such a cool livery, dude. Goodbye. Oh, there goes that American A321-200. He's going to I don't know where he's going actually. It doesn't say. It just says he's coming into Dallas. What the heck? That's weird. Interesting. Where's that one, Delta? We'll look at what that is in just a second here. Oh, WestJet? Alright, here he comes. Big old Delta A330-900. There he is! Oh, look at there's a little Alaska back there. Delta A330neo from Amsterdam there. And look at, he's beating that Alaska by a marathon, dude. comes. Butter it, dude. Butter it, butter it, butter it, butter it, butter it. Oh, that was so butter. Beautiful. Nice. And then look at that little WestJet Dash 8 showed up. That's cool. Oh, there's an Air Canada Dash 8 and a WestJet Dash 8. 2 Dash 8s. Look at that, there's 2 of them. Alaska, Delta 7800 going to Santa Ana here. That's only 2. Alright. Waiting on this Alaska here. Alright, waiting on this Alaska. Look at that Dash 8 over there. 2 Dash 8s. That's 7890 going to Santa Ana. Here comes another Alaska. There he goes. Hi, Alaska. And there goes that other one too. There they go. Nice. Stop Alaska Max 9 going to Honolulu.
There it is.
Oh, that's a nice pull up. Oh, there's another Alaska too. There it goes. There's a small one. Ready? He's just gonna appear out of thin air, you guys. Here he comes.
There it is.
There he is. Yup. Oh, he's huge. Holy guacamole. Look at that. That's a cool shot of both of them. It's a beautiful plane, dude. Look at the other Dash 8 went in a holding position. That is a beautiful aircraft. Look at those A350 gears. Oh, that was a perfect shot. And a little Alaska. WestJet Dash 8 going to Edmonton. What's a little Alaska? Edmonton. There's props. Nice. That was cool. There goes that Alaska too. Alright, next up we got an Alaska 737-900 extended range going to Washington DC. Let me turn it over this way a bit. There he goes! There he goes. Bye, that was cool. Check this out. Sun Country Airlines 737-800 from Minneapolis. It's like all blue though. It's like an older Sun Country. That's cool. Yes! That's a cute little plane. See if you guys can see that. Yes. Not sure why that that Air Canada, sorry, not WestJet, he already stopped. Not sure why he's on a holding position. Oh, did you hear that A220 over there? Yeah, look at these all blue. That's cool. Nice. There's an Alaska 737-900 ER from Las Vegas. Right there. He's right there. You guys see him? That one you guys are watching from there. Not sure when he's gonna move. This, I think something's coming here. Let's see, what's this? Oh, the flying banana! It's the Neo. Not Spirit.
Oh, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, not Spirit Airlines.
Cool. Banana! That's pretty cool. Spirit A321 Neo. Oh, here comes something else too. Somebody else is coming. Little Delta Embraer. Dude, that's good. Spirit of being late. That's all. You guys see the little one too? That little one is actually an Alaska 737-900 from Milwaukee. That's cool. Here, another one coming. What's this? Sounds like a Max? Probably. Oh, I see him. What is he? Oh my gosh, another Alaska. Oh, it's a Max 9, I think. That's what he is. The king of the Alaska. There goes Spirit. He's turning. Oh, that's cool. Here we go. Spirit A321 NX going to Las Vegas. The flying banana is taking off. I pretty much 99.9% guarantee he's gonna be late. Oh my god. There he goes. I think I hear something else too coming. Alright, little Delta Embraer going to Portland. It's another one. I hear something else. What is it? Another Alaska Max. Oh my gosh. Alright, this little guy is gonna take off. Alright, Delta Embraer E175LL going to Portland. Oh, that was the honoring of the reserve livery, dude. I'm not sure if I caught that on camera. Dude! There he goes. Dash 8 going to Vancouver. There's Canada Dash 8 going to Vancouver. There he goes. Finally. Hi! Nice. American Eagle E175LR from Phoenix. Right there. That guy. And then an Alaska Max 9 is going to LAX. There goes that guy. Alright. Lots of them coming in. Woo. Classic Max pull up. There you go. And then there's a Delta Embraer right there. Nice. That's pretty cool. Alright. That was cute. Delta 737-900 going to Atlanta. Wow, wasting no time, dude. Holy cow, a very strong takeoff. There he goes. Alright, another little Alaska right there. Kind of looks like a special livery. Nah. Or no, he is a special livery. Yeah, the San Francisco Giants livery. That's cool. Another Alaska. 737-900. Looks like. Oh, he doesn't have winglets. Yeah, he doesn't got no winglets, dude. Look at that guy has no winglets, dude. Oh. There he is. That's pretty cool. And there's another one. Oh, it's a Delta. That's what it is. Right there. Hi. That's cool. Alaska Max 9 going to LAX. Where is he? Oh, I see him. Oh, Southwest. 737 Max 8. Southwest Max 8. Two Maxes. goes our Alaska Max 9. Going to LAX. Ah, that was loud. Oh, United A320. Look at that. United A320 200. That was cool. That's a cool plane. Oh, and there's another one. Right there. Where is there? Dude, that's cool. Look at that United. A320.
Okay.
Alright. Southwest Max 8. Going to San Jose. Perfect spool up. So quiet now, so you can just hear the pure engine sound of these jets. Looks like that United's going in a holding position for some reason. He's gonna be delayed a little. I don't have one. Alright, United A320-200 going to San Francisco. There he goes! That buzz, dude. Oh my gosh. Pure engine sound right there. Woo! And there's a little Alaska Embraer right there coming in from Reading. Cute little guy. Hi. Little Delta E175LR from Ketchikan. There he is. Goodbye. The Alaska, so 37-900 extended range UNCF livery from San Diego. Look at that. I've seen the UNCF. That's the second time in a row I've seen him. Here's something big. That's the UNCF again. Alright, here comes a big one. Here comes a really big one. Here he comes. I hear him. He's huge. Oh, there he is. Woo, look at that. Sure, you can't pick it up too well on camera. Woo. I'll actually zoom out a little bit because he's really big.
Holy cow, he's big.
Look at that. That guy's massive. Ah, it's so loud.
Oh my god, he's over the outside loud.
Oh my gosh, he's loud. Look at that big boy. Woo. Look at that, man. Woo. He's a massive one. That's cool. Woo, he's massive. That's cool. Look at that. He's massive. Alright, here we go. We're going to Doha. Alright, QATAR 777-300 going to Doha. Alright. Here he goes. Alright, QATAR 777-300 going to Doha. It's got a massive engine. Whoa, full power 777. Oh my god, he's so loud. That was extremely loud, dude.
When they're taking southbound, I can hear the big guy, like the 747.
Whoa.
This one. This is that big Delta from Paris. Yeah.
Alright. 737-8 90, Alaska, honoring those who served livery from Reno. There he is. That's a pretty cool one.
Come back. That's the only good. Come back.
That's cool, dude. Hi, Alaska. Oh, the ANA! Alright, here we go. Big Delta. Guys, there he is! Delta A330-900 Neo from Paris. There he is! He's huge! Come on, buddy, butter it. You got this. Get out of the way, A&A! Oh, that was a beautiful shot. That was cool. Hey. Oh, he's got the Trent 1000s, A&A.
Yeah.
Or all nipping.
Because this morning I'd have got a JAL.
Oh, nice. Alright, 737-800 United going to LAX.
Starlux is coming too.
Yeah. Probably waiting for his Delta up here. Is he moving? Alright. 737-800 United going to LAX. Is he moving? There he goes! Going to LAX. Whoa, full power! Again! Or no, not full power, never mind. Goes. Bye, United. There goes the ANA. Oh, there's another one. Right there. There goes that ANA. He's moving. He's lined up. Look at those 787s. That's a comfortable ride to Tokyo there. Oh, Southwest. Oh, that's a 737-700. Cute one. Alright, ANA 787-8 going to Tokyo, Haneda. What's that? Oh, it's another Southwest. Coming in for free. It's another 737-700.
Well, that was a cool shot.
I did go to ANA.
Going that way, the ANA going that way, and the Southwest right up above.
There he goes.
That's a cool shot. I wish the sun was right in the face. I can fix that, Mike.
Trent 1000, baby. Let's go to Tokyo, Haneda. Oh, that was cool. There he is. Oh, there's a little one above him too. You guys see that? There he is. Oh, he's got the newer livery on him. There he is. Oh! And an Alaska Embraer. He appeared out of nowhere. There's a little Alaska 737-700. Alright, Southwest 737-700 going to Oakland. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's an American CRJ-700. Right there. Look at Ian. CRJ-700. Oh, there's an Alaska above him too.
Whoa, that's
Whoa! I can see the Aer Lingus out there.
oh.
Oh, there he goes. Finally. Southwest 737. Another Alaska. Looks like it's got no winglets. There goes that Southwest. 200 from Dublin.
Here it is.
Right there, yep. Bingo, Buster. There he is. Oh, he's all green. You see the shamrock? Butter this dude. So many A330s today. Nice. Oh, cool. Oh, FedEx MD-11 from Memphis. There he is. Yeah, this is the MD-11. There he is. Ooh, he's big. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. Ooh, man. Holy cow, he's big. Look at that. Coming in from Memphis here. Look, you can see his gear. I am the 11. Yeah, that was cool. Alright, American Eagle CRJ 701 extended range. Going to LAX. There you go. Another little Alaska too. Oh, there's a couple. What's this? Little Alaska. Delta. Oh, it's an A321 NX. A321 NX right there. I think it's like a private jet. There goes that Alaska. Go to Phoenix under the 900. Oh, it doesn't have winglets. There's a Bombardier Challenger 350 right there. Oh, another Alaska.
Yeah, this one down here is real flying. The plane's literally.
There we go, it's a little tiny one. There we go. It's taking off, going to Honolulu. Look at that Alaska rig. There it goes. 7.
Oh, what is this?
Dash 9. There he is!
Oh, this is.
Virgin Atlantic. There goes. There goes an Alaska too. Oh, that guy looks different. Oh, it's the Alaska Star Wars livery. Not sure where he's coming in from.
It is so long.
There he is. Look at that Virgin Atlantic. Alright, here he goes. Virgin Atlantic 787-9 going to London Heathrow. Oh, and there's a little Alaska that showed up. Didn't even notice. Virgin Atlantic. Going to Heathrow. Woo! Love those big 787s. Those are cool. There's a little Alaska. Oh, it's the One World, I think. Yeah, it's the Alaska One World. We're seeing all the Alaska liveries today. Jeez. There's the One World livery. That was cool. Oh, there he is. Nice. That's a big boy. It's a big old fatty.
Engines whistling.
Why are the engines whistling? That's not an A330neo. That was cool.